Wild explorers. Today we're diving deep into the jungle to discover 10 jaw-dropping facts about the mighty jaguar, the third largest big cat in the world. Let's go. Fact 1. Jaguars are built like tanks. Stocky, powerful, and muscular, jaguars are the most solidly built big cats. They're not just strong, they're bite-through-bone strong. Fact 2. They have the strongest bite of any big cat. That's right, their bite is so powerful it can crush skulls and even pierce turtle shells. That's what we call serious jungle power. Fact 3. Masters of stealth and ambush. Jaguars don't chase, they creep, stalk, and pounce. With spots that blend into the forest, they sneak up on prey without a... Fact 4. Their name means he who kills with one leap. The word jaguar comes from the Native American word jaguarete, meaning true beast or killer in a single bound, fierce and legendary. Fact 5. Not picky eaters. Jaguars are top predators and eat over 85 different species, from deer and monkeys to fish and even caimans. That's a wild menu. Fact 6. Unlike most cats, they love water. Yep, these big cats are strong swimmers and enjoy taking a dip. They even hunt in rivers and wetlands, move over crocodiles. Fact 7. Solitary and territorial. Jaguars like their space. Each one patrols a huge area and they usually only come together to mate or fight over territory. Fact 8. Roars that shake the jungle. Their roar is short but terrifying. It sounds like a series of deep coughs. Loud enough to echo through the trees and warn rivals. Fact 9. Jaguars are near threatened. Sadly, due to deforestation and poaching, jaguar numbers are dropping, but conservation efforts are helping protect their wild homes. Fact 10. Found only in the Americas. Jaguars roam from Mexico to northern Argentina, mainly in the Amazon rainforest. They're the kings and queens of the New World jungle. Forest. A fierce predator, a graceful hunter, and a symbol of power, the jaguar truly is one of nature's most incredible cats. If you love awesome animal facts like these, leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and join us on the next wild adventure.